Hey, how are you doing today? Do you remember the days when you were trying to lose weight? The very first thing you will have to give up was starch. Can you imagine giving up one of the most filling, satisfying foods there is? No potatoes, no bread, no rice, no pasta. No wonder no one's down those diets for long. Your bread card is a vital part of the puzzle that makes daily meal work as a lifelong program. Starch provides valuable fiber and keeps your blood sugar level balanced. It keeps you satisfied. And just look at the card. There's something here for everyone. In fact, if you ever try to fit more choices on this card, you have to use a magnifying glass to read it. Let's take a look at some of the choices on the bread card. And while we're at it, let's look at portions as well. Notice is half a bagel, half an English muffin, half a peanut bread, and half a frankfurter hamburger roll. You can eat the whole thing, of course, but you must count 2 bread cards. You can eat any kind of bread you like, but remember that whole grain bread gives you a lot more fiber. 1 slice regular or 2 slices of the thin sliced bread is 1 bread card. If you like breadsticks, you can have 2 this size, or tortilla, corner flour this size, about 6 inches across. Now, if you eat a taco shell, remember it is fried, so it will cost you a fat card as well. And get 2 rice cakes for a bread card. But don't forget, if you just want 1 rice cake for a snack, then you can use a grain card for that. In the top right hand column of your card, it says 1/2 cup of intelligent cereal. If you wonder what that means, it probably means you shouldn't be eating your favorite cereal anymore, especially if it is sugar-coated. When you add some delicious fruit or berries to cereal, even sensible cereal can taste terrific. Now we showed you what 1/2 cup of pasta looks like on day 118. And whether you're eating pasta, rice, barley, or grits, 1 serving should fit into this 1/2 cup measurement. If it doesn't, you're hurting yourself, because portion control is at the heart of this entire program. Now when I talk about a small potato, this is what I mean. Sometimes seeing what isn't right is helpful. This one is medium. This one is large. And this one is just right. Now in case you don't know what jicama looks like, well, here it is. It's a very strange looking vegetable on the outside. You have to peel this tough brown skin away. Inside, there is a whitish vegetable that tastes like a cross between a raw potato and an apple. 1/2 cup measurement here is for raw jicama, since this is the way it is usually eaten. It makes a delicious crunchy snack food. If you really want more than 1/2 a cup of pasta, I want you to try this. This is called spaghetti. I can hardly get it off. Spaghetti squash. You get 3/4 of a cup because it is a vegetable. But see, it looks like pasta. And when you add a little marinara sauce, you will hardly know the difference. Are you wondering why there are so many vegetables on the bread card? It's because these particular vegetables are more starchy and higher in calories than those on the vegetable card. Take corn for example. Now here's a really solid, satisfying vegetable. You can have 1 small ear of corn, or 1/3 cup of corn. If you want green peas and lima beans, the portion is 1/2 a cup. Your favorite item can certainly be my favorite item on the bread card. My just will be popcorn, just because you're getting great value for the price. Make sure it is air pump if you don't want to use up any of your fat cards. You get 3 carbs for 1 bread card. Make sure that after it's popped, not before. So give me please my daily bread. If I'm good and plan ahead, I can have some cooked brown rice. 1/2 a cup should just suffice. But that's not all. I've carbs to spare. They're all for me, they're not to share. I'm making sure that none are missed. So add some popcorn to my list. And for my final choice today, baked potatoes on the way.